You're looking for a chandelier that you could put on a sloped ceiling? Linked chain up to 6 feet tall? With the rustic look and metal bar with 4 optional light bulbs that is driven by a wall switch and or dimmer switch? We're going to show you how to install, what this product comes shipped, and what it's about. Mayful is a lighting product, and it's a chandelier, 19-inch, and we're going to hang it up and show you what it's about. We're going to take everything out, show you how nicely they are. As the box is being opened, laid on top is your instruction with the hardware, key, wire nuts, a Phillips screw. Packaged in foam and protected are each individual and packaging. We'll unwrap everything and show you the descriptions of the part. Above, we're removing a light fixture, and we have the bracket and cosmetic cover with the hook system, the bar, the lighting fixture, the bars, and the round chandelier that gets hooked up with the optional bracketing. Bulbs are not included. 60-watt maximum bulb. What we're going to do is show you what the instructions look like and how easy this is to assemble. And it is required. If you're looking for light fixtures, and this is the overall breakdown and the assembly. Let's get with the supplied screw. Removing the bracket is simply unscrewing. Placing the supplied bolts into an outlet for tall ceilings, minimum of 6 feet. Angled ceilings, we have an option to shorten up temporary with the pole on one side correctly snaked through. We're going to hang ours at a shorter height to demonstrate. We have this junction, a coupler, that we're going to take the cable, slide through. One side is pivoted and bring through. Start to screw down both ends and lock into. With the chain, start to work down the lineup of links. For our demonstration purposes, we're going to open up the chain and attach, making sure everything is spun on and attached, and close up. And then last, put on the cosmetic cover, slide through to the length you desire, and lock down with the chain. With your leads, load neutral for hook up your ground, and then place on the top and lock. At the table, remove 4 bolts. On the inside, place in the bolt and lock down. And do your best to fully assemble the semicircles. When all in place, secure all screws down. We have optional bulbs, 60 watts, that simply screw in. Hooks on. With the fixture either way, underneath, lined up, careful of the edge, and lock into place. When all 4 are securely on, you're completed. Turn the lights on and show you what. Put it on a dimmer switch of the wall switch to dim down. Cadescent bulb, looking from the, going up and looking from above, looking down. Your chandelier, 6 feet for angled ceilings, sloped ceilings. A fixture with the hook, link system lockable with the line. Bars to the rustic look rounded 19-inch chandelier. Do check online for further details about the products that the company offers in different lighting fixtures. I hope you enjoy your chandelier. It's a chandelier for the kitchen, the living room, the dining room, the master room, the bedroom, wherever you need to put a chandelier by the workplace. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. Thank you for viewing and enjoy your product.